Solar-powered Snitch Squad. AOSU 3K5MP cams catch creepers in 166 degrees. No subs, no mercy, no wires. Tired of playing surveillance roulette with glitchy cams and monthly ransom fees? Meet the AOSU SolarCam Max System, your solar-powered, ultra-wide, home-protecting dream team. With true 5MP Ultra HD clarity, you'll catch everything, from porch pirates to nosy raccoons, in glorious detail. This ain't no grainy was-that-a-squirrel-or-a-burglar feed. We're talking 40% more clarity than basic 2K cams, full-color night vision, and 166 degrees wide-angle coverage that'll make your house the Fort Knox of the cul-de-sac. Oh, and did we mention no subscriptions, ever? That's right, security without the shady monthly extortion. What really sets AOSU apart? The camera-to-camera sync tech. When something shady goes down, all 4 cameras autosync to give you a multi-angle, time-aligned replay. No digging, no guessing, just straight-up crime-fighting clarity in seconds. And since it stores footage locally with 32 gigabytes of encrypted storage, your data's not floating in some creepy cloud server overseas. It's safe, private, and yours, just like it should be. Whether you're home or halfway to Honolulu, you've got eyes on your castle, all synced up like a Mission Impossible heist recap. Only you're the hero. Say goodbye to ladder gymnastics and dead batteries. These cams are solar-powered superheroes that sip sunshine year-round, even on cloudy days. AOSU's smart solar design keeps things charged and running 365 days a year, so you can skip the awkward midwinter recharge routine. Mount the solar panel where it soaks sun, slap the cam in the shade, flexibility meets functionality. And with a 2-minute, wire-free install, you won't need a toolbox or a PhD in engineering. Seriously, it's so easy your grandma could do it. And then she'd start watching the mailman a little too closely. This thing ain't just passive, it's got teeth. With built-in spotlights, sirens, and two-way talk, you can scare off creepers, yell at package thieves, or tell the neighbor's kid to quit using your lawn as a shortcut. The AOSU app gives you one-tap mode switching, so whether you're going on vacation or just chilling at home, your security settings move with you. Night or day, rain or shine, AOSU's got your back with noise reduction tech and smart alerts that won't spam you every time a leaf blows by. Compared to overpriced, overhyped systems, AOSU delivers next-level value without the nonsense. No fees, no contracts. Just a sleek, rugged, tech-tested surveillance squad that's built to last and designed to outclass. It's the perfect mix of performance, durability, and affordability, making it a no-brainer for anyone who values security without the stress. Whether you're a DIY warrior or tech newbie, AOSU's got the goods to protect your peace, your people, and your packages. Go ahead, guard your turf like a pro. The creeps won't know what hit 'em.